So, it's that time of the week where day before shopping day, so it is clear the fridge out day, and I'm going to do a soup. You can never go wrong. It's something we do in the catering industry all the time. Clear the fridge, we make a soup. So let's crack on with making a Monday night fridge soup. So this is the remains of my fridge. As you can see, things like the broccoli are starting to go yellow, so I've got broccoli, I've got a bit of the butternut squash from the other day, I've got some asparagus, garlic, chilli, some corn in the cobs. I'm just going to cut the corn off. Carrot I found in the bottom of the fridge, another wee bit of chilli, got some flat leaf parsley that's left over, a wee bit of broccoli, another wee bit of garlic, some spring onions, and I've got some potatoes and something that I acquired recently, buckwheat. And I'm going to put this into my soup, so I'm going to cut all this stuff down and I'm going to fire it into the pot. So let's get on with it. There's a butternut squash, it's all diced up. Slice the asparagus. Slice the spring onions. Dice the carrot. Slice the broccoli. Slice the chilli. Roughly dice up the garlic. Sweet corn. That was fun. Goes everywhere, but it's fun. Sweet corn. Dice up the potato. Shred up the parsley. I didn't use all of it because the parsley is quite a strong flavour, so I've only used some of it and I'll save some for later. So it's quite a big pot, so I'm going to add in to my big pot 3 vegan stock cubes. So here is everything in the pot, quite a big pot, soup pot. I'm going to just cover it with some water, bring it up to the boil, simmer it for 35 minutes. For the last 10 minutes we're going to add in the buckwheat and it should be ready to go. Oh, there we have it, it's on. No end of the week fridge soup, Monday night dinner for everybody. Once it comes up to the simmer, give it half an hour, then we'll see how it is. Here it is, the Monday night fridge soup, simmering away beautifully. It won't be long now. We can add in the buckwheat. I was either going to add in, no, I was going to add in the buckwheat, but depending on how it tastes with the chilli and the garlic in it, I might actually just add in some vegan noodles. That'd be good. We'll wait until it finishes and then we'll have a taste and we'll decide then. So, it's nearly ready and I've tasted it. There's a wee bit of heat in there, so I'm actually going to add in some capellini nests rather than the buckwheat, because I think it'll end up being like a spicy vegan noodle soup. Of course you can do this with anything. Just take whatever's in your fridge, some in your pot, add in some stock cubes. You can never go wrong with a couple of bits of chilli in there, some garlic. Good for you. I do have beetroot in the fridge, but I didn't think it would look any good in here. So just let it simmer away for another 5-10 minutes, it'll be ready to go. So here we have the finished article, a Monday night fridge soup, or day before shopping soup, whatever you want to call it. It's got a very little spicy kick to it. I'm basically going to live off of this for a couple of days, so it'll be nice, but because I like things a wee bit spicier, I'm going to add in some Mexican habanero sauce. Not hundreds, just a bit. Just a wee splash over the top. I guess it makes it kind of like almost like a vegan ramen, I think it's called, where it's the spicy soup. So give it a try, enjoy, and the vegan virgin. See you next video.